All right, what we're getting ready to do here is grind off the rivets on the old felt on the points plate. And I say we in the grandest sense, Brooke is going to do it with his little...
I'm going to make sure I'm going in the right direction first.
There's a right direction?
Well, yeah, the cutter only...
cuts in one way.
Only cuts clock.
This is exciting stuff.
Minutes later.
Not much left. A little bit on this one. Thankfully, the rivet is aluminum.
Yeah.
There we go. Pretty easy, please.
Viola, it's off. The new one goes on with screws.
We're okay, because I was going to say that's a very delicate rivet to have to work with if we were going to rivet it.
Yeah, it popped right off.
That's right.
I'll put the other one on right here.
Okay. Is that the hardest thing I got to do all day?
I hope so.
If we leave it clamped in the vise, and then we're going to take a little tiny punch and knock those out,
It could bend that.
then we're going to bend that. We don't want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to support the area right underneath the tab, like so, and then we're just going to put a little punch on there and tap down on them, and they should go. The problem is one person needs to do this, then you need 4 arms.
Right.
And we don't have 4 arms. Can I see your super duper skinny, smallest one you have?
How many people does it take to punch out a rivet? This is probably,
Yes, it will.
This is probably why people just buy a new points plate, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's very expensive.
Yes,
the
they
points
are.
plate is very expensive.
And since I ride a BMW, I'm obliged by law to be as cheap as possible.
Now, no more jokes about stereotypes.
Okay.
You good, Jinxie?
Yeah. I think this is unofficially probably the smallest thing you can work on.
I'm moving over to the other one.
May well be.
A little bit towards the...
Oh, yeah, she's ready to come. Which way?
Is it moving?
Go
I'm on
straight
the
now.
one that's closest to me now. There we
Alright.
go. Good?
Yeah.
Should have had something.
I know, I thought I had
Something a
one.
little skinnier.
This is the good stuff, folks. This is why you come to this channel.
All right, are the heads lifting up on the other side?
Yeah, absolutely.
Good, then we could probably push them out now, which is with like a pick with a 90 on it. Just your thumb.
Look at that.
It's like Shakespeare. It's much ado about nothing.
And the real trick is just not bending the points plate.
Exactly. The main thing is you go as slow as you have to in order to ensure that you don't bend the tab.
It needs to row against the cam, yeah, so it's got to go that way.
Right. Out here it'd be, and then you could say, well, does it go under?
It was over because otherwise you wouldn't be able to rivet it.
Yeah.
The rivets were on
Yeah.
top. The heads of the rivets were on top.
Right. Okay. Let's try one of our screws then.
And those are the teeniest little screws. Do they fit through?
Just a little bit big.
There, now the little screws will fit in. We finally got those little guys in. And Jinx says we're going to put a little bit of Loctite on the threads on the other side when we put the nuts on, just to make sure that they hold as tight as the rivets do. So there's the replacement felt in place. Those little tiny nuts are 3/16 on the outer dimension, and they were a real bear to get on. I had to drill out the holes just a tiny little bit, but they're in there now and the felt's in place. And that just will put grease on that and it will lubricate the lobes of the advanced mechanism.
All right.
And
Now
here's the actual points.
Yep. So the points are going to go on. We have our points plate. Our points installed on its pivot with the spring in place. Our electrical connections will happen there. This is how it'll bolt to the bike or to the magneto plate, and that'll hold it in place. And it's slotted, so you have the option to move that. And then also this is slotted here, so I can do my points gap. So you can see that's the blocking. That's just the pivot. So you can see the way I can this adjustment And once I have the points where it is, I'll make this adjustment if I have to go in and out.
Right.
As far as that sliding, I've got a
And
little
let's
time.
look at the that little assembly that we struggled with a little bit.
Yeah, so that's where the wires connect. You see it's isolated, but it goes to the points. So that's going to go back up to the coil, and also the condenser. Both of the wires go there. And once they're in place, then the points. So again, it gets real complicated here, but you want to know the simplicity, because the wire is going to come down from the coil, and what that does, every time it opens, it collapses the coil.
Right.
It
sends spark to the, or sends electricity to the spark plug.
It breaks the continuity of the coil, and then the coil collapses and goes down the ignition wires to the plugs, right? And that looks good. What we're hoping here now is that our fitment here is nice and smooth. It goes like so, I believe. And you can see our wires right there waiting to go. We have two wires the two things will go on, and then the advanced mechanism will go on here. So that's looking kind of good. The thing I want to figure out is, that's staying good, but how my condenser? I might have to bend my plate a little bit. You can see the condenser, it looks like it has like two choices over here. And that one won't work, and that one will probably work, and then the wire will go over the top. I just want to see if that's the way they intend it. All right, I guess we'll see what our cover looks like.
Well, yeah, the wire definitely reaches. Yeah. It's a little bit of a stretch, but it's not bad.
There we go. Oh, yeah, it looks like it has tons of room, actually, and that must be the solution. We have tons of room.
Okay.
That's what we want.
Then we'll just leave it outboard like that.
Right, and I'm sure that's probably what the thought was. So that's got to find the keyway, doesn't it, though?
Yeah, so here, open the
Can
points.
it do it with the chain in place?
Yeah, so slide it on.
Yeah. Oh, there it is. It went down that time. The
Yeah,
chain
because
must have got
I held the
Oh,
points
all right,
open.
yeah. So now we just got to put it in the
So
rotation of the engine, which I think it still is, because the S is here.
It shouldn't matter because this is the inner diameter of
All right. So you can
of
set it
the
to that.
advance. So we
Very
just
cool.
check it with the
gauge.
the gauge and move the points on the plate until it squeezes that.
Right.
So this is a tool that I got from EME that's supposed to make adjusting the points quick and easy.
So you can see how wide that gap is now. So we'll back that off, and
You got to snug down the rest of the plate.
why do I think that swipes in the wrong place? The felt should be going up the other side, I believe.
Nope, the felt's right where it should be.
Is it?
Yeah, I promise. I remember.
All right. Just because of the tool, that's all, I guess.
Yeah.
All right.
The felt should just barely be touching the tool.
Yeah, no, it's on the tool, but I'm just, okay. All right, so let's try your little thing there if you can. You can come in from the front too. All right, Hank, what do you
So
think?
it's a little tight.
Just a little tight. Okay, let me just move you a little bit.
Try it again.
Yep.
Oh, that's a nice snug fit.
All right, hang on leave that there for a second. Move your hand. I just want to snug this a little bit.
The set screw?
Yeah, and then you can take it out. See that now? You still like it? Oh, it got too big.
Yeah, it got a little too big.
Okay, I got it. I know what to do. Yeah, just
All
back
right.
that out.
So this takes all the back and forth out of it.
Right, I guess you can, because otherwise you have to find the spot and then do this.
So along with my spare spark plugs, this is going right in my toolbox on the side of the tank.
All right, try that. Digging that, right?
Yeah, that's a good feel
All
right there.
Let me see if I can snug that without killing it.
You want me to leave it in?
Yep. Okay.
That feels real good.
Okay,
man.
cool. Let's pull that out. And I'm going to give you this.
And then hold on. Ooh,
Oops,
yeah.
sorry.
So yeah, so
No.
if you just push this up, you can put the tool on and then push it up to take it off. That way it doesn't snap
Oh,
on and
I
off.
got you. Right. Let me just, okay. And then we like that still? I got you. So you
Yeah.
don't snap it. Yep. All right.
And I'll show off the little tool right there. And I got that straight from EME. It even comes with a little instruction sheet, but we just showed you how to use it.
So we get to cut out the whole, what we would have done before is put this on, we would have rotated it over,
points tool slash two. See, there you go. You
Yeah,
can
yeah,
get your
dude, I
own.
like that for sure. Well,
I mean, it's a little expensive, but
no, because otherwise I would have had to put this on. I would have had to put it in the orientation, then reached in there and done that same thing. That's definitely slick. But now we're gonna put a little grease on this. You're gonna. I like to use the Electric grease now, just so it's a little bit better. You don't want to get too crazy because if you get it on the points, so we put it on that mostly by the cam because that's really what bounces it up.
right
Again, we'll have to pull this down. We'll look and see where our tab is.
there, I moved the points arm.
All right. And there it is. Now we're going to put our bolt back in, and we're going to run out of things to do here.
And torque it to, I think you said 14 Newton meters.
Yeah, you know, when you just turn it, it kind of does it, but 14.
14 is not huge, and it's that's the one that has two sets of threads, which I thought
Yeah,
was
it goes
weird.
through. It goes through, right. And the other thing you got to think of it, it's the cam. So the cam's not this big beefy thing, so it just holds it on the end of the cam.
It's weird. I can hear Brooke watching the first video in the other room, so I'm hearing my voice come out of the other room.
Okay, we're kind of liking that, and we'll just give a little rotate through. See that we like everything.
Oh, look at that! The little points thing you moved.
Yeah.